All right, so these are your triple locking differentials on your G-Wagon. You have 3 lockers and you activate them in order from left to right. So the first one on the left locks the center differential. That splits power 50-50 between the front and rear. So if you're on loose trail or wet ground, you get that extra stability. The second one locks the rear axle, so now you have both rear wheels are turning together. So that helps when you're in deeper sand, snow, or mud and don't want one wheel spinning. And the third one is a front axle lock, which is your maximum off-road capability. That's for serious terrain like rocks or uneven surfaces where one wheel might be in the air. So down here you have your low range button. When you press that, the truck goes into a lower gear ratio and gives you more torque and better control. And then you got the manual off-road button, which lets you hold a specific gear when you're going downhill or doing something technical. And at the top, you have the off-road cockpit display, which shows you your pitch, your roll angle, steering angle, and which lockers are engaged. It basically gives you a visual readout of everything the vehicle is doing. So even though most people don't take a G-Wagon into extreme terrain, this is the exact system that gives the G-Class its reputation. So it's not just luxury, it's a true mechanical capable vehicle underneath.